Today, I'm going to introduce you to a product that will save you time and hassles in trying to make money online, and it's the fastest and easiest way to do so. The best thing about it, you don't even have to know how to create your own product, as this one is jam-packed and ready to go, and you're about to get the opportunity to get access to this brand new, high-quality business in a box, which you could start making money from today. This is a product from a top evergreen niche that will never go out of date and is always highly in demand, one that everyone wants and needs, and you are providing them with this valuable information. Well, first, let me ask you a question. Do you struggle to create products of your own? Because we all know that one of the fastest ways to make money online is by having your very own product. One of the biggest downfalls that marketers have troubles with is getting started with creating their very own product. This indeed is one of the leading causes that most people fail online before even getting started when it comes to making any kind of money online. When creating your own product, you need to have ideas to develop the product from scratch and the research that needs to be put into it. So that's where this product comes into play. Let me introduce you to this unique, never been released before, highly in-demand PLR product. It's a done-for-you, ready-to-go, private label rights business in a box. Here's what you're going to get within this PLR package. Module 1, a brand new, high-quality, well-researched ebook that's fully rebrandable. Module 2, a checklist that will help you check off the lessons you've learned. Module 3, a resource cheat sheet to shortcut your way through this niche. Module 4, a mind map that will help you and your customers see results fast. Module 5, a professionally written and designed 5-page responsive mini site to wow your customers and help convert more sales. Module 6, 5 ready-to-go converting promotional email swipes that are perfect to place in your autoresponder. Module 7, the source graphic files that have been professionally created in building this product from the ground up. Module 8, 10 high-converting advertising banners that will attract new customers and in return make you more sales. Module 9, 10 high-quality PLR articles that will help you drive even more sales. These are great to use as blog posts, create a new ebook from, or use them as email newsletters, or even give them away as free content. Module 10, a done-for-you sales video with a professional spokesperson to get your visitors' attention the first time. Module 11, 10 top-quality, professionally designed eCovers so you could change the style of covers to sell on numerous sites such as Amazon, iBooks, and Google Play. Module 12, 10 social media posters with stunning graphics and quotes to pull in your readers to find out more. Use them to post on such sites as Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Module 13, the licenses package. For everything within this business in a box, you'll get the private label rights license to it all. Not only this, but you'll also get 2 other licenses, which you could sell to your customers, making the value of your sales even more. Module 14, of course, 3 unique exclusive bonuses that are designed to complement your purchase and to help you with your online journey. These bonuses will help you set up this product from scratch so you can start profiting from them today. Not only this, but you'll be mentored in the best ways to make money from PLR with tried and tested methods. If you're still, on the fence, here's why you should really get this today. This product has been designed around a hot, in-demand niche topic that has been well researched. This product is unique, fresh, and evergreen. Not only this, but you're getting private label rights to the complete package, which means you could rebrand it, making it your very own. You're in control and you make 100% of the profits. You get to keep your buyers on the list, and also you get to build an army of affiliates to promote this for you. So don't take another minute to think. This is a time-sensitive opportunity, so don't miss out. Click the button below and get instant access today before the price goes up. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a product that will save you time and hassles in trying to make money online, and it's the fastest and easiest.
There are a lot of methods out there to help you gain, profit, and rise from using solo ads. Some work, most don't. Unfortunately, most methods promise the world but just don't deliver on helping and teaching you to get the results that you want. But what if there was a guide that would very quickly get you the results you're wanting? Not just for the short term, but for the long term too. Not only that, but helping you learn the correct mindset when starting out using solo ads so you can begin getting the most out of your campaigns. If you're planning to use, sell, or purchase solo ads, then you need a guide that can provide you with everything to help you succeed. So let me introduce you to Solo Ads Traffic, a guide that is jam-packed with tried and tested methods so you can see results fast. This is a product that will help you get the results you've been wanting and to create the correct mindset to achieve your goals for not only today, but for the long term too. There are so many products available for teaching you how to buy and sell solo ads correctly, making it a challenge to know what's the best solution for you. These resources can be helpful, and it's a great idea to research each one of them to know what will work best for you and what methods you should use. But what you're needing is a convenient all-in-one resource that will help you to become more knowledgeable in this demanding market so you'll always remain one step in front of your goals. That's why this new guide all about gaining, profiting, and rising in your business using solo ads is a guide that covers all these topics in one. This is an easy-to-follow guide, and anyone can use it to start learning everything there is to know about solo ads. Here are some of the things you'll discover inside. How to effectively use solo ads. Making solo ads highly targeted. Buying solo ads for your campaigns. Coming up with problem-solving ads. Tips to make a profit with solo ads. Techniques to build your email list. Using solo ads in affiliate marketing. Create solo ads that lead to conversions, plus so much more. So whether you already use solo ads or you're wanting to start using them, then this product will guide you through the main principles to help you master everything there is to know about solo ads. Don't wait and end up missing out. Grab your copy now by clicking the button below to gain instant access today.